Hey guys, today we're gonna have the first meet regarding the advertisement of our baby Slim Slim. Nike, Puma, beware, for you're about to face stiff competition from us. Anyone any idea where Doita is? I have full faith that Doita will do maximum justice to our campaign by creating ruckus on social media.
What the hell?
दोईता इधर है
Excuse me?
दोईता इधर है
Hello? Listen, hi, listen, you. Stop the music. You are 1 hour late to this meeting. এরকম একটা important ad campaign meeting. How can you be late that to 1 hour? See, I don't hate Doita. It's just that her tweets were responsible for me losing faith in humanity.
Cause dude, Doita Dotto will be at least 1 hour late. After all, she actually directs ad films of such acclaimed channels, like what was the name? Tara. It was Tara TV, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Tara TV, yeah. Okay, thank you, uncool writer, for the opinion literally nobody asked for or gives a damn about. So chill. Ooh.
Yes, exactly. Why are you even here, huh? Nobody cares. Okay?
Finally, my favorite girl is here. Come on, continue. Tell us what you.
Ma'am, I'm so thankful that আপনার সাথে কাজ করতে পারছি।
Hey, stop
You don't know
this
actually-
stupid blabbering, okay? Just fast forward this blabbering and come to the main point, okay?
Doita ma'am is my role model. And the way she doesn't give patta to anybody is oof, mighty. Yes, ma'am. So I have this great design in my mind. In this Christmas campaign, we'll do like this. The slogan is this Christmas, turn on the heat with Silim. And I was thinking of this very cute kind of a model holding a dumbbell, and also I was thinking cute animations in the background, and এক মিনিট ম্যাম আমি একটা ডেমো শুট করেছি।
Like, what was this like the only model you got? Couldn't you get somebody a bit slimmer, a bit sexier? Just stop the share. Like what
বেশি মোটা হয়ে গেছে?
stupidity is this? Stop the share right now. Stop it.
I think including models of all body shapes in the campaign would be a good idea because the ultimate purpose is to make it into an all-inclusive campaign with models of all shapes.
You are the intern now. Okay, listen to me, you intern. Okay, so suppose you go out, okay, during this Christmas season, and you see this ice cream parlor. In ice cream parlor, there are two dudes standing. One is this ugly fat dude, and another is this sexy slim dude. So who will you check out? Will you check out the fat one or the thin one?
Doita, you're going out of topic. By the way, let's
this
stick
is
to
in
the topic.
This is in topic.
No, this is not in topic. Okay, let me first answer the question. A guy, thin or fat, nobody will be into you. Nobody is going to be into you.
Listen. You'll be the one who will be marrying
It's
the
the
ice cream
truth.
wala, okay?
It's the truth.
Listen, I give an excellent
How
consent.
dare you?
madam
This
is
is
right.
my
Excellent consent.
reputation.
Accept it.
I have a
Accept it.
reputation. You
Accept
do
it,
not
stupid
tell me
writer.
like that. You do not have the
my-
right to speak to me
excuse
like
me?
that. I'm not going to be.
What's
So
going
insane.
on here? I thought this was a professional meeting. Anyways, guys,
Whatever.
I'm so sorry I'm late, but congratulations. I have good news for you all. I've fixed up a slot for you on the leading news channel of our country. So congratulations, guys. And also, Sharthok, the check is ready, right?
Do I think that the people here are stupid and regressive? Yes. Do I think that spending time here is better than attending college classes? Yes. 1 second. I think the answer is no.
Oh yeah, Sarna, I sent you the draft. Did you check it out?
Yes, of course, I checked it out. And I thought the idea was absolutely fabulous.
Frankly speaking, I think the entire idea is rubbish. In fact, the entire brand Slim Slim is rubbish. But this guy Sharthok, he sent me this and I can't refuse this,
One of the writers, you were telling some idea, no, about some like some tagline or something like that. Just
Yes,
I
ma'am.
forgot about that.
Yes, ma'am. The tagline was this Christmas, turn on the heat with Silim.
So boring idea. Oh God. I mean, you guys have no innovative thoughts. Just a small idea which I thought. So in this ad story, there is this fat and ugly girl, and nobody gives a damn about her, okay, because she is fat and ugly, obviously. So then her crush doesn't reply back to her texts and etc. etc. Then one day she comes across this amazing brand called Slim Slim, and she uses the products like the dumbbells and the yoga mats, etc. etc. And in 2 or 3 days she becomes a legit diva. That is what you call an amazing idea, okay?
I don't think that idea is unique and innovative at all. I mean, you guys can surely do better than
Exactly. And moreover, that idea is going 360-degree different to what we actually are intending to do. That is going absolutely opposite. We are intending to do something else. This idea isn't going to work out for God. Hello?
Dwaita,
What
you
is that girl
listening to
doing?
this?
Yes. Somebody was speaking to me. So basically, when this dude starts speaking, I just mute my laptop and turn on good music. So actually, the thing is that what's this kind of toxic behavior, huh? I mean, I'm being so nice to you guys, and this is the kind of behavior I get back. Like, this is preposterous. And Sharthok, you know what? This is done. Either you guys are going with the best idea, that is my idea, or you guys are going with nothing at all. Okay? And this is absolutely over. Oh my God, Hello, Shetty sir. You remember me, Dwaita? Actually, I sent. Okay, you're Shetty sir's manager. I had actually mailed sir 10 to 11 times. Just a moment.
Sharthok, if Dwaita leaves this campaign, I'm out. So please take care of this. Handle this crisis ASAP.
Sir, please, sir. It was so inspiring to work with Dwaita madam. Oof, উনি পুরো কাঁপিয়ে দিতে পারেন সবাইকে।
I'm glad Slim Slim is finally working out.
Oh my God. What was that?
I hate Dwaita, but without her, there's no money coming in. And I really, really love this bitch.
I'd rather go to the other room and choke myself up.
And now, the ad you all were waiting for.
Hello.
বেবি, তুমি বেবি থেকে বেবি হাতি হয়ে গেছো। আমি তোমায় ছেড়ে চললাম। বাই বাই।
এই মেয়ে, কত খাবি? খেয়ে খেয়ে তো জলহস্তি হয়ে যাচ্ছিস।
আপনার জীবনে কি ভীষণই দুঃখ? আপনি কি বেবি হাতি থেকে আবার বেবি হতে চান?
তাও কি পসিবল?
স্লিম স্লিমের আছে যোগা ম্যাট, ডাম্বেল, আরো অনেক স্লিমনেস প্রোডাক্ট। ক্রিসমাস অফারে এই প্রোডাক্টসে আছে 70% অফ। 2 দিন পরে স্লিম স্লিমের জাদু আপনাদের শরীরে ছড়িয়ে পড়বে। This Christmas, don't feel single with Slim Slim.